Today video we're gonna show you guys, I'm gonna unbox and test fit the Polestar winglets that I told you guys I ordered. They finally arrived, so I'm gonna open them up and also test fit them on the car. These are not the original ones, this is the aftermarket ones, aftermarket Polestar winglets that were made because the original ones are literally like 4 times the price of this one. So today I'm gonna open this one up and test fit them and see if it's, you know, if it was worth the money or if I actually should have just bought the original ones. So we'll see. Stay tuned and hope you guys enjoy. Alright, doesn't look like anything is damaged. Anything else there? Nope, nothing else. This is it. Let's see. Alright. Packaged nicely, that's good to know. Alright. Okay, so here they are, Polestar winglets. So this looks like they're made out of, it's not plastic, fiberglass. Wow, so these are fiberglass aftermarket winglets, S60 V60 from Austria. It looks like, yeah, TUV from Austria. There's one, and then there's the other one right here. So they got just the double-sided tape on the edges right there, and I believe this goes underneath, and then you use the screws that you screw your bumper in with on the bottom. Use the same screws to put through here, and then on the top here is just the double-sided tape that glues to your bumper. I think so. Yeah, it does. That sounds right. So yeah, we're gonna test fit them now. Everything is good, no cracks, not anything broken, so that's good. All right, so now got all the garbage out of the way. Now we're gonna test fit them. I'm gonna see how they look on the car. So let's see here. So this one is for the right side. For the left side, I'm in the driver's side. Wow. That fitment is actually really, really good. So I'm gonna stay up. Let's see here. This one as well. Let's see. Oh, this one stays. So maybe we can get this one to stay actually as well, so we can show you guys how both of them look. There you go. That's on the car. Let's come closer to the car so you guys can see. Wow, how much that changes the look of the car. That's beautiful. Just look at it. Wow. The whole front end of the car changes automatically. Wow. Yeah, I'm officially happy actually. I don't regret buying them. Now all I'm missing is the splitter in between those two winglets. That's gonna be next. Now that you guys see the fitment is literally perfect, so no, I do not regret getting the aftermarket ones. They're made out of fiberglass, so I mean they fit perfectly. I paid around 170, I think, around in that ballpark, with shipping to my house. Man, that it keeps driving around. Anyway, so yeah, I paid around 170, shipped to my house. The original Polestar ones are around 700 bucks, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So that's a huge difference. I can get like literally 3-4 sets of these for the price. So they fit perfectly, so I'm a happy customer. That's all I can say now. So the next thing, I'm trying to decide whether I should just plastic dip it red and just put them on. I mean, that probably will go, but I'm also debating whether I should just take it to a professional shop and have them color match the car, so to make it just perfectly match the car. So I'm kind of debating, you know. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think, what I should do. Should I just plastic dip it or should I paint it? So let me know. And then also, if anybody's selling a splitter that goes in between the two the winglets here, if anyone's selling, let me know in the comments below as well. Otherwise, I'm just gonna have to look around and find. I know there's some companies that sell them, so I'll just buy it probably from there next. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Check out some of my other videos on Volvos and other cars that we have on my channel. Subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and as usual, see you next time.